Are you videoing right now?
Yeah.
Bloopers!
Alright. It's let me back up just a little.
Hi guys, this is Jason from HustleMode and we're going to talk about being your authentic self. I've always been in love with strippers, apart from this one stripper. Yo, this is Jace from HustleMode and today we're talking about like dress to impress. Oh, you wanna?
Yeah, dude, I'm recording
Oh
this
my
entire
god!
thing.
I've heard it's real life blooper. Shit like that if you just hit record.
I was recording.
Magic! We are live at San Diego for, I don't know what we're live for. Wicca hustle mode. I'm just trying to hype myself.
Come this way.
Hi guys. Over deliver and up, nah shit. Over promise. Hey guys, Jason K. Williamson here. Fuck. Bang, bang, bang. You know, ultimate punch. What?
I'd like that.
Come on, hustle mode.
Me. He'll be off to this side.
Roll the B, roll. Sometimes I wish I was rolling the B-roll. Guys, Jason here. I'm hoping the microphone's on, not too sure. But I stole Barrack's thing whilst he went for a piss. I saw Publix and read Pubics. Hey guys, he made the mistake of trusting me with a camera again. Woo! Woo! Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Recording?
Yep.
Ah! What's up, Facebook? Was you videoing that?
Hey guys. Yeah.
And welcome to HustleMode. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a taco.
Sorry, start again. I don't know what the fuck I just said.
It is all the tacos. All the taco meat is making me go blah blah blah.
Yeah.